guys, thanks for tuning in to episode 2 of Saving a Skyline. Today we're going to be looking at the bottom end. It just got back from the machine shop. They hot tanked it, they fitted the forged pistons and rods, they balanced everything, they did a couple extra things, like they stripped down the timing covers and everything for me, so we can match it when we do some paint. And today we're going to be fitting all of the accessories on the bottom end, and we're going to do a little time lapse of that, and then at the end we'll talk a little bit about the future plans for the engine. So yeah, I tried to replace as many bolts as I could. I got a new pickup, new thermostat, and one oil pump, all new timing hardware. I got a new water pump. I got the 1.5 millimeter oil restrictors to stop the oil starvation from the bottom end. And got the new rear main seal over here. All the obviously gaskets that came with the Cometic kit. I got ARP head studs, and I just cleaned up some of the other old bolts that I had to reuse. And we're gonna set up the tripod, do a little time lapse, and get started. So you might have noticed I didn't mount a couple things, like for instance an oil filter adapter. That's just because I plan on doing a oil filter relocation and I just haven't ordered it yet. So overall plans for the engine are that I'm shooting for around 500 rear wheel horsepower. We'll see how close to that I get. Obviously, it is a 2 liter. I decided to keep the RB20 because frankly I think they're really underrated. like I said, I got Supertech Pistons and spool rods in here. And I had the entire bottom end put together just for peace of mind by my local machine shop. And frankly, they did an amazing job. I couldn't have done it better myself. I wouldn't say I'm sparing no expense, but I'm trying my best to not leave myself with any weak links because I cheaped out on a single part. I think at this point, this is pretty much a bulletproof bottom end, obviously knock on wood for that one. In the next episode, we're going to be rebuilding the head. We're going to be doing all the seal replacements in the head, taking the valves out, replacing the springs, replacing the camshafts. I'm going to do some port and polishing that I'll bring you guys along for, and that'll be, unlike this video, it'll be a little more up close and personal. I don't plan on time-lapsing much of it except for obviously things that are done several times or become a little daunting to watch. A little more informative, I guess. And thanks for tagging along if you're still watching this late in the video, and see you in the next one. Bye.